Hi everybody, I'm Coach Richard. I've been getting a lot of emails to give a little demonstration how to do hand wraps. So when you're gonna hit the bag, so I got these hand wraps, they're brand new. I'm gonna do it the way I wrap my hands. I like to roll them out because I can't do them from this side. It only takes a second to roll them up. A lot of coaches have a different way they want their boxers to roll up their hands. So listen to your coach because they want you to keep your hands safe. They don't want you hurting your wrists. So every coach might want you, your coach might want you to wrap your hands a certain way, but I'm gonna show you the way I wrap my hands when I'm gonna hit the bag because I like to protect my wrists, and that's where everybody gets injured, right here on the wrist. And I like my wrist to be secure when I'm hitting the bag. And you'll find a style the way it's gonna fit you, the way you feel comfortable after a while. After you wrap them several times, you're gonna see how you like it. So it only takes a little bit just to roll it up. I like to hold it in my hand when I'm wrapping because it gives me more control how tight and I'm gonna want it around my wrist. All right. So if I'm going south, I'm gonna put my thumb here, put that in my thumb, and I'm going south. So I'm gonna go 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then one finger down from the knuckle. I'm gonna go 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you come back around, you grab your thumb, you come back around this way, and I like to grab the middle one. I'll go around my wrist because I like to protect my wrist. I'll come over here, go around my wrist again because I want to really protect that wrist, and then I'll come back this way, and then I'll grab my wrist again, and I'll go down the middle, and I'll grab the thumb one more time, and then I'll go around the wrist, and I'll come back this way, and then I'm up here. See, so that gives me more control when I have it in my hand. A lot of guys like to come up here, but I don't. If you feel comfortable, go ahead and bring it up as high as you want, but this is good enough. My protection is right here on my wrist. Here's what I want to keep, I want to keep this right here safe. I already rolled up this one, so now I'm going to go north. Okay, so now I'm going north. As I go north, I go again around. I'm going to go north. Oh, he's got this backwards a little bit. Excuse me. So I'm going to go 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then one finger down from the knuckle 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you come over, grab the thumb, go around again. Then you go down the middle. Okay, go over here to the side, the little guy. Go around the wrist again. Come up again. Go again. You want to grab the thumb, all right, and then you come back down the middle, and then you're already there. If you still got some left over, you can come back one more time. If it's backwards, just flip it around, or just keep going. Like I said, some guys like to go all the way to the top. This is good enough right here. And there you are. Now I'm ready to go. I like this to be protected. Say, some guys like to come all the way up here, wherever you feel comfortable after you learn how to wrap your hands. All right, so I'm ready to go on the bags, put on some gloves. If you make it thick right in here, people like to put more here. They don't really put that much around the wrist, but me, I like my wrist to be protected. I'm gonna be doing another video about footwork. People are asking me about footwork for beginner, somebody that's barely learning how to box. How do they keep their boxing stand? I'm gonna be doing another small video on that. All right, God bless, take care.